Hello students, you have already studied about the quadratic equation in class 10th. In continuation, the quadratic equation has three types of the roots. One are real roots and equal roots. Second are real and unequal roots. Third are imaginary roots. But in class 10th, we have find out the roots of quadratic equation only those cases when the roots are real. So, in this topic, we discuss about the quadratic equation. So, class 10th, we have solved only those quadratic equations whose roots are real. And roots of the quadratic equation depend on the discriminant. So, we know that discriminant b square minus 4ac, when discriminant is greater than equal to 0, then roots are real. Or if d is less than 0, then roots are not real, या no real, या imaginary, या does not exist. So class 10th में हमने केवल उन इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व किया है जहां पर रूट्स क्या थे, रियल थे. अगर रूट्स रियल नहीं थे, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जिन केसेस में लेस देन 0 था, तो वहां पर हमने उनको एज इट इज स्टॉप किया था और ये लिखा था कि रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, या रूट्स आर रूट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, या रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी. बट इन क्लास 11th वी डिस्कस ओनली दोज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हुज रूट्स आर रियल और इमेजिनरी. यहां पर आपने सब तरह की क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को डिस्कस करना है, चाहे रूट्स रियल है या रूट्स रियल नहीं है. एंड वी नो दैट टू कैलकुलेट द रूट्स or solution of a quadratic equation by the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this formula is applicable for all types of the quadratic equation, that is roots are real or not real. ये फॉर्मूला सबके लिए एप्लीकेबल है, चाहे रूट्स रियल है चाहे रूट्स इमेजिनरी है. तो इस फॉर्मूले से हम यहां पर सॉल्व करेंगे सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइज है हमारे पास 5.3 ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. सो एक्सरसाइज 5.3, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Solve the equation is x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So simply मैंने आपको बताया 11th स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर हम यहां पर क्वाड्रेटिक्स में पर्टिकुलरली वही क्वाड्रेटिक्स ज्यादातर आपको मिलेंगी जिनमें रूट्स रियल नहीं होंगे. सो अगर इसका हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालें तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट विल बी लेस देन 0. So simply, if we solve this quadratic equation, so x square is minus 3. There is no need to apply the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So simply write down x square is minus 3. That is x is equal to under the root minus 3. And x is equal to under the root minus 1 and 3. And we know that I square is equal to minus 1. तो I square को आप क्या रख दें, minus 1 के प्लेस पर रखें. X is equal to I square into 3. So X is equal to under root 3I or plus minus. So simply we get the solution of the X as plus minus under root 3I. Or we can write down this number as 0 plus minus under root 3I. So we can say that the roots of this quadratic equation are complex numbers. or these complex number are purely imaginary because real part of this complex number is 0. So there are the two roots in the form of the complex number. So this is the solution of question first. Simply now second, question number second of this exercise, solve the quadratic equation, and a quadration is 2x square plus x plus 1. 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compare its standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 or c is equal to 1. And applying the formula b is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is x is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus 1 is square minus 4. A is 2, C is 1 and 2 is 2. Minus 1 plus minus, that is 1 minus 8 upon 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 4. That is minus 1 plus minus minus 1 into 7 upon 4. So this is a very simple solution. So we get the discriminant is negative, so roots are imaginary. So 7 I write down as minus 1 into 7, and minus 1 plus minus, this minus 1 is square as I square into 7 by 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 7 I by 4. And at last we can write down as minus 1 by 4 plus minus under root 7 by 4i. So we can say that the roots of this quadratic equation are also in the form of the complex number. So simply ये भी complex number की form में आपको मिलेंगे. Next is question number 3. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 9 is 0. X square plus 3x plus 9 is 0. In which a is 1. When we compare its standard form ax square plus bx plus c, so a is 1, b is 3 and c is 9. And we know that the solution of a quadratic equation is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square, 4, a is 1, c is 9 and 2 into 1. So minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 36 upon 2. 4 9 is 36. Minus 3 plus minus, this one is equal to minus 27 upon 2. That is minus 3 plus minus 27 into minus 1. This minus 27 break into two parts, 27 and minus 1. And minus 3 plus minus 27 and minus 1 is equal to I square upon 2. So minus 3 plus minus under root 27 का आप square root लें, under root 27, that is 9 into 3, 3 under root 3. So this you can write down 3 under root 3 square root of I square is I upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2, 3 under root 3 by 2 or I. So once again we are getting the roots of this quadratic equation are in the form of the complex number. So there are the two roots and both roots are in the form of complex number. Next is Question number 4. Solve the quadratic equation minus x square plus x or minus 2 is equal to 0. First, compare the quadratic equation with its standard form ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. A is minus 1, B is 1, C is minus 2. Now write down the formula as minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC upon twice A. So value of x minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4, A is minus 1, C is minus 2 and 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 and minus minus plus minus 8 or upon minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 7 upon minus 2. So minus 1 plus minus minus 1 into 7 upon minus 2. So minus 7 break into two factors as minus 1 into 7 and write down minus 1 as I square. So minus 1 plus minus I square into 7 upon minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus I under root 7 upon minus 2. So these are the two roots. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 2 plus minus minus plus I under root 7 upon 2. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation. There are the two roots and both roots are the complex numbers. Next is question number 5. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Once again comparing its standard form, then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5, and write down these values in the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the formula applicable for the solution of quadratic equation. So minus b minus 3 plus minus b square minus 4, a means 1, c is 5 and 2 into 1. That is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 5 4 ja 20 or upon 2. So minus 3 plus minus minus 11 upon 2. Minus 3 plus minus minus 1 into 11 upon 2. X is equal to minus 3 I square into 11 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 11 I upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus under root 11 by 2 I. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation. And यहां पर भी आपको दोनों रूट्स क्या मिले हैं? क्वाड्रेटिक कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स. So this is the solution of the question number 5. Next is question number 6. Once again solve the quadratic equation and quadratic equation is x square minus x plus 2. So simply write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2. When we compare its standard form, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x or c is constant term. and there is a formula to solve the quadratic addition and substitute the value of ABC. Minus of minus 1 plus minus minus 1 square, for A means 1, C is 2 or upon 2 into 1. That is x is equal to minus minus plus 1. Under root minus 1 square is 1. 4 to the 8 upon 2. X is equal to 1 plus minus minus 7 upon 2. Or 1 plus minus minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So x is equal to 1 plus minus, substitute minus 1 as I square upon 7 upon 2. 1 plus minus I under root 7 upon 2. So this one is 1 upon 2 plus minus I under root 7 upon 2. So यहां पर भी दो रूट्स आपको मिलते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में. So this is a very simple exercise. Now 7 is solve the quadratic equation under root 2x square plus x or plus under root 2 is equal to 0. So once again it's compare with its standard form. So A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x, or C is constant term. So substitute these values in formula of quadratic addition. इसमें आप पुट करें. So x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 a under root 2 b under root 2 and 2 under root 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus under root 2 under root 2 2 2 for 8 or upon 2 under root 2. So minus 1 plus minus minus 7 upon 2 under root 2. That is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus on the same way. इसी तरीके से आप ब्रेक कर सकते हैं अंडर रूट 7 आई बाई 2 अंडर रूट 2, और ये भी लिख सकते हैं माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 अंडर रूट 2 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 7 अपॉन 2 अंडर रूट 2 आई. So these are the two roots of this quadratic addition. Both the roots are in the form of the complex number. Question number 8. Solve the quadratic equation under root 3x square minus under root 2x or 3 under root 3 is 0. Now quadratic addition is given as under root 3x square minus 2 under root x plus 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x square is denoted by a, which is equal to under root 3, and b is equal to minus under root 2, c is equal to 3 under root 3. And substitute these values in this formula. X is equal to minus of minus under root 2 plus minus under root 2 square. For a is under root 3 or c is 3 under root 3 and 2a 2 under root 3. Minus minus plus under root 2 plus minus. Minus is 2, minus 4 and 3 is 9 or upon 2 under root 3. Under root 3 under root 3 3 is 9. So under root 2 plus minus 2 and 36 minus 34 upon 2 under root 3. This become 2 minus 4 9 36. So x is under root 3 2 plus minus 34 into -1 upon 2 under root 3. That is under root 2 plus minus under root 34 into I square upon 2 under root 3. So x is under root 2 plus minus under root 34 I upon 2 under root 3. आप सेपरेट करके भी लिख सकते हैं. तो these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Next question is 9. The quadratic equation is x square plus x plus 1 upon under root 2 is 0. The quadratic equation is x plus x square plus x plus 1 by under root 2 is 0. First of all, write in simplest form by taking under root 2 as LCM. So under root 2x square under root 2x or plus 1 is 0. Now under root 2 multiply with 0 by cross multiplication. So under root 2x square under root 2x or plus 1 is 0. So we have modified this quadratic in standard form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is under root 2, b is under root 2 and c is 1. And applying the formula to solve this quadratic as minus b under root b square minus 4. A means under root 2 or c is 1 and 2 into under root 2. So applying this formula, minus b, that is minus b is under root 2, under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus under root 2 plus minus under root 2 square 4, 4 under root 2 upon 2 under root 2. Now minus under root 2 plus minus, taking minus as common, 4 under root 2 minus 2 upon 2 under root 2. Again minus under root 2 plus minus, taking minus and 2 as common, 2 under root 2 and minus 1 and 2 under root 2. So this one is minus taking common. So this become 4 under root 2 minus 2. Once again taking 2 as common, so 2 under root 2 minus this. So 2 को बाहर लाए. Minus under root 2 plus minus. Taking square root of this is under root 2 and under the root minus 1 into 2 under root 2 minus 1 upon 2 under root 2. Next is x is equal to minus under root 2 taking common throughout, under root 2 throughout common लीजिएगा, minus 1 plus minus under the root, this minus 1 is I square and 2 under root 2 minus 1 and 2 under root 2. इससे ये काट दो. Under root 2 cancel by this under root 2. So solution is x minus 1 plus minus 2 under root 2 minus 1 I or upon 2. So this one is the solution of this quadratic equation. Next is question number 10. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus x upon under root 2 and plus 1 is 0. So first write down its standard form by taking 2 as LCM. Under root 2 is LCM, that is under root 2 x square plus x plus under root 2 is 0. Under root 2 x square plus x under root 2 is 0. Under root 2 multiplying with 0. So this is a quadratic equation in which a is under root 2, b is 1 and c is under root 2. Now applying the formula, minus b, b square minus 4 is c upon 2ic. And substitute these values in formula. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus b square is 1, for a means under root 2, c means under root 2 and 2a. Minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8 upon 2 under root 2. Minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 2 under root 2. Minus 1 plus minus minus 1 into 7 upon 2 under root 2. So minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to I square 7 upon 2 under root 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root 7 I upon 2 under root 2. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. So this is a very simple exercise of the quadratic equation which is based on the simply formula, and you see that the solution of the all quadratic equations are we will form as we have formed the complex numbers. So in 11th standard, the quadratic equations are those we have solved for which the roots are not real. So in the next lecture, we discuss the miscellaneous exercise of this textbook. After that, we will discuss about the square root of a complex number and the more quadratic equation. Thank you. Good.